light pulsation on a ballast going bad on a 2006 Nissan Maxima, which will fail your inspection, at least in the state of Virginia. To get to this right here, I'll show you what I did. I already did it, but the first thing I removed, as I really didn't need to remove these things, I was just trying to get to it, see if I get to a different way. But I did need to remove a 10mm bolt from here, a 10mm bolt from here, a couple of these fasteners, quick fasteners here, similar as you'll see, like right there on the driver's side. You'll see also the 10mm there and 10mm there. But I removed those two, and then what I did was I turned the wheel in. You'll see I have the car jacked up right here, but I didn't need to do that. And now I had to remove some small Phillips head screws from down here. You can see where they fasten into the bottom here. And then the two 10mm bolts here that fasten up. They fasten actually up here, so you can see in there. And you see back there, you can see where back under here, you can see where that headlight bulb is, where it rotates off. And I'm going to pull this out so you can actually see it. And then the two that you have, this is why you got to pull the bumper down, is there's one right there I had to remove, and there's one right there that I had to remove. Okay, we got the flickering. So I think now it's not flickering. But I had to remove that one right there. And then once you do that, okay, that's it flickering. I'm going to pull this out here. See how it's starting to flicker a little bit? Again, I'm going to check the connections on that. But typically your ballast going bad, you can see it flickering. If I come around here, this is the ballast right here. And then the headlight actually sits inside of this assembly. All right, here we have the back. I already loosened it up. It's just like a 1/8 turn, and that pops off. From here, you have where you can push this little clip in, actually down and then up. The other side, there's the same thing. Right there, you can see it. I push that down and out, and from there both sides pulls it out. So that still looks good, as much as I can tell anyways. I'm not sure what that means, but it looks, the filament looks good, and that's all there is. To put it back in, you just put it in, get it lined up, and then just push that back down on that side, and push that back down on that side, if you can see that. All right, and then put this back on. Nice and snug, and a good turn. And that's it. That's how you would replace the bulb if you had to as well.